Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickle de gallo. We'll start by gathering the simple, fresh ingredients needed for this zesty salsa. We'll be using crisp pickles, ripe tomatoes, red onion, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice. This recipe is incredibly versatile and perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful twist on a classic. Now let's get to the chopping. Precision is key for a great texture. Dice your tomatoes, red onion, and jalapeno into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch cubes. Then, finely chop your fresh cilantro. Once everything is prepped, gently combine all these vibrant ingredients in a large mixing bowl. To bring out all those wonderful flavors, it's time to season. Squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lime over your mixture. This adds a bright, tangy kick. Then, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give everything a good, gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are perfectly coated and the flavors meld together beautifully. Almost ready to enjoy? For the best flavor, let your pickle de gallo chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to fully meld. Serve this refreshing salsa with your favorite tortilla chips, or use it as a vibrant topping for tacos, grilled chicken, or fish. It's a fantastic, easy-to-make condiment that adds a unique zing to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.